Meaning of extremis.
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 Extremis. Extremis is a medical term that refers to a critical state of illness or injury in which a patient's condition is at a life-threatening level. In this state, the body's vital organs are often failing and patients may need intensive medical care or immediate surgery to survive. The term extremis is often used in emergency medicine to describe patients who are in a very serious or critical condition. Ultimately, the outcome for patients in extremis can vary depending on the underlying cause of their illness or injury, as well as the quality and timeliness of the medical care they receive.